Welcome to Auto In this video, I will show you how to fix iCPU use in Battlefield 6 on PC and resolve EA app and Steam issue.
Fix 1. Close background programs. Step 1. Press to or E until ESC SKESK Manager. Step 2. End unnecessary apps using CPU, Discord, Chrome, etc. Step 3. Launch Battlefield 6. Check CPU usage. Fix 2. Update graphics and CPU drivers. Step 1. Open Device Manager, Display and CPU adapters. Update drivers. Step 2. Restart PC, launch the game. Fix 3. Adjust in-game settings. Step 1. Open Battlefield 6. Step 1. Lower CPU intensive settings. Shadow quality, view distance, etc. Step 3. Save. Relaunch the game. Fix 4. Disable eApp, Steam overlays. Step 1. Steam library. Right-click Battlefield 6 properties. General disable. Steam overlay. Step 2. eApp settings. General disable overlay. Step 3. Launch the game. Monitor CPU usage. Fix 5. Set game priority in Task Manager. Step 1. Press Ctrl ESC. Task Manager. Details. Step 2. Right-click BF6. XE set priority high. Step 3. Launch the game files. Step 1. Step 1. Steam new library. Right-click Battlefield 6 properties, local files, verify integrity. Step 2. EA app, My Games, repair, launch.